Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you where your ABS fuse is located in a Honda DC5 Type R or Acura RSX Type R. I don't know if you guys call it Type R in America. So simply put, you want to go underneath your driver's side. It'll be the same whether you're in America, it'll just be on the opposite side. Okay, so go underneath your drivers, just up underneath here. There is two screws, one here and one over here. You just want to pop that down and then turn this around. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I'll zoom in there a bit. We have ABS right there at number 11 in the middle row. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find that and make your life a little bit easier. Okay, so with my trusty little hand, I'll show you guys where to locate number, what does it say again? Number 11. Okay, number 11. Okay, so let's go and point this camera upwards. Alright, number 11. See, I'm so thoughtful, I even have a light in here for you guys. See how nice I am. And this one here is a 7.5 amp. Now if you haven't spotted it already, this is the middle row. Sorry, this is your middle row. Okay, so over here, right there, zoom in, sorry. Let's get a zoom in on this one. It is your little brown fuse. Okay, this one right there. Okay, that's the fuse. Okay guys, that is your ABS fuse. That is where it's located. If you're getting an ABS light or issues with your ABS, check this fuse first, and that might solve your problem. So hope this video helps. I'll just zoom out a bit more. So that's your fuse box as well, guys. So yeah, that's just up underneath your steering column. So just up underneath your steering column, and then that's your little fuse. So you just want to go ahead, pop your hood, pop your box off. And then inside your box, you'll see that there is a 30 amp number 10 and a 20 amp number 8. We're going to go ahead and find these. Very easy, but the whole purpose of this video is to make it even easier. So we're going to go ahead, pop this over there to the side. Get my little hand out. Okay, so we have one 20 amp. That one is going to be located right here. It's a yellow fuse in between the blue 15 and the red 10. That is your fuse right here. So yeah, that's next to the horn. And then we have another one here which is 30 amps. That is your other ABS fuse here as well. So you have one 30 amp fuse here and one 20 amp fuse right there. That is basically, that's it. That's where they're located. So yeah, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.